Hello, everybody. Last video, we calculated the F statistics and p-value to conduct our hypothesis testing. Now, I would like to, since you understood the intuition, I would like you to see how I can do this faster using Excel's built-in Anova table. So to do that, I click on Data tab, and you should be able to see Data Analysis here. If you don't, what you can do is click on File, Options, Add-ins. And then here you can find the analysis tool pack, go. And then you make sure that you check analysis tool pack add-in and click OK. And then what I can do is click on data analysis. And here I can choose my ANOVA. This is a single factor ANOVA. Click OK. And then here I can choose my input range, which these are my observations. And I will make sure that my variables are located in my column. That's good. And I have my label since I highlight the first row as well. And I choose alpha 0.05. And I would like to create my output in this spreadsheet, right, starting from right here. And then I can click OK. And then there you go. So you can see that these 15, we have 15 observations, right, from in our data. And you can see the sum of some of these numbers here as well. So you can see 137 and so on. What I can do is, if I just highlight, for example, column B, you can see that the sum is 133.6. So that's where the numbers come from, the average of each column, not average, total of each column. And then averages, we calculated these averages already. And I can show you where they are. So average 9.18, which is right here. So maybe I will just color this to make it easier for us to see. And the average values. And then variances are calculated here as well. That's good. And now next thing, if I would like to go over the ANOVA table, and you can see, let me just simplify these numbers, how they look like as well. Highlight this and make them numbers. Perfect. So you can see that between groups, sum of square is 97.33, which is exact the value right here. Maybe I will just use a different color for this. And then you can see within groups, 269, sorry, 296.99. And let's use a different color for that. And we calculate the same thing in Excel right here. Again, here, I think it was important to show you how we got all these numbers to understand intuition, but you can use ANOVA like this just in a couple seconds, which is much more faster, obviously. So here you can see total sum of squares. Let's use a different color for that, which is right here. We calculated that as well. So degrees of freedom, you can see 3, which we got from here, 56, we calculated right there, and 59, which is total right here, okay? And then next thing I would like to show you is that numerator, this value right here, comes from, let's use a different color for this as well, right here. And this 5.30 is right here. So these are my numerator and denominator. And F statistics, again, we calculate right there, 6.12. Use a different color here. And it's right there. And then p-value, we calculate right here, which is the same as here. Okay. And finally, we have the F critical value, 2.77, which is right here. Again, we reject null hypotheses because the p-value is less than 0.05. So we found enough evidence to reject null hypothesis that diet doesn't make a difference. That's it for this video. Next video, I will show you how to do ANOVA table, ANOVA analysis using Python. Until next video, enjoy business analytics.